Hello everyone! This video is a quick guide for cruise passengers traveling from Civitavecchia Port to Rome, Italy. To future cruise passengers who intend to visit Rome DIY. This ultimate guide for cruise passengers will showcase the ideal itinerary to maximize your quick visit to the eternal city of Rome. An itinerary concocted from our personal experiences and mishaps. Something we could have done had we known better. Welcome to Civitavecchia Cruise Port, our gateway to Rome. Rome, the capital city of Italy, is 76 kilometers far from Civitavecchia Cruise Port. There are several ways to reach Rome. The most convenient among all other options is booking a shore excursion package that will cost around $150 to $250 per person. The tour is organized, efficient, convenient, and time-saving, but on the pricier side. Booking shore excursions provided by the cruise ship guarantees that the ship won't leave you behind and shall await your return. Another option is to do it by yourself. The advantage, it's cheaper and you are in full control of your time. You may visit places you wish to see according to your preference and stay for as long as you desire, provided that you'll be able to make it back to the port before the scheduled departure as the ship won't wait for your return. A DIY trip from Civitavecchia Port is highly doable. The key is to leave the ship as soon as the gangway opens, around 6:30 to 7 a.m. Bring and secure this ID at all times. You will present this ID every time you go out and go back to the ship. Prior to the trip, make sure to get yourself familiar with Google Maps in order to navigate your way to must-see landmarks in Rome. Note that there are free shuttle that will take cruise passengers outside the Civitavecchia Port area. Though this may be the case, to maximize our time, we decided to hop on a paid shuttle that will take us directly to Civitavecchia train station, where we are boarding the train that will take us to Rome. Fare is €6 per person. By 7:30 a.m., you must be on your way to Civitavecchia train station. Travel duration is around 7 minutes from the port to the train station. Secure a one-day transport pass to Rome as soon as you arrive in Civitavecchia train station. This pass will cover not only your round-trip journey to and from Civitavecchia Port to Rome, but shall also cover the intercity trains, trams, and buses for a day in Rome. Get it either from ticket vending machines or from the convenience store in Civitavecchia train station. Once you secure your ticket, don't forget to validate that ticket before boarding the train on that machine shown on your screen. The ticket is not valid without your name, so make sure you write down your name at the back of the ticket. This ticket costs €12. At 8 a.m., you are supposed to be on the train bound for Rome. Following this schedule, expect to be in Rome around 9 a.m. Enough time to enjoy the city and see the historical landmarks. Doing it your way may not save you time, rather, you'll certainly save extra from your budget to indulge on food. This is the map of Rome provided by Google Maps. To maximize your quick visit to Rome and see as much historical landmarks as possible, you may refer to this itinerary. From the train, hop off at Rome Itinerary. From this point, Vatican City is just 1 kilometer away. To reach the Vatican City, you may either walk or take bus number 64 using your Rome one-day transport pass and visit the Vatican City first. Slowing this down to show the bus stop where you must get off to reach Vaticano. That arrow you see points the entrance to the Vatican City. Should you wish to see the Sistine Chapel and the Vatican Museum on your visit to Vaticano, it is advised that you book your ticket in advance. While entry to St. Peter's Basilica is free, lines can go long. To skip this, get a timed reservation online in advance to skip the long queues. But if you're pressed for time, allot an hour and get ready to hop on a bus to Piazza, Navona. See the awe-inspiring works of renowned artists Bernini and Borromini. The Piazza features three important sculptural creations. Raising the center of the Piazza is the Fountain of Four Rivers, which stands in front of the Church of San Agnes in Agone, a work of art masterfully crafted by a renowned artist Gian Lorenzo Bernini. The other two are the Fontana del Moro, located at the southern end of the Piazza, and the Fountain of Neptune, located at the north end of the Piazza. Stay for 30 minutes and appreciate the beauty of the three fountains. Or should you wish to try one of the several restaurants surrounding the Piazza, allot an hour and 30 minutes. By 12 noon, start to navigate your way towards the Pantheon. The Pantheon. It is a famous ancient Roman structure in Rome, Italy. It is renowned for its magnificent and reinforced concrete dome with a central oculus, which allows sunlight to enter. It is one of the best preserved buildings of ancient Rome. Should you wish to explore the interior of this architectural masterpiece, book a ticket in advance. Via Klook, use my promo code for an extra discount. Otherwise, a 30-minute stay to admire its external grandeur is more than enough. Now that you've had enough of the Pantheon, it's time to walk your way up to the Trevi Fountain. The Trevi Fountain is 650 meters away from the Pantheon, roughly a 10-minute walk. Expect a volume of crowd on this area. A stay of 15 to 20 minutes is enough to take souvenir photos. Don't miss throwing a coin for an opportunity to return. Who knows? There's no harm in trying! Now, it's time to head up to the Spanish Steps, 650 meters away from the Trevi Fountain. You may stay here for 30 minutes and choose to take the flight of stairs all the way up and take photo breaks in between. Look, the Spanish Steps across the street, lined with designer motifs. Now off to our final stop, the Colosseum, which is 2 kilometers away from where we are. From here, let's navigate our way using Google Maps. Travel time may take more or less 25 minutes by bus number 85, 15 minutes by taxi. If you are heading to Colosseum by 2 p.m. as your final destination in Rome, traveling via bus is a practical option. But if you are pressed for time, spending a little extra for a taxi to see a significant landmark is worth it. Now, just stay a while, explore the area, and enjoy the view. Just strive to be in Rome Termini before 3:30 p.m. Make sure to be on the train bound for Civitavecchia Port by 4 p.m. Following this timeline, you'll be in Civitavecchia Port for 5 p.m. Enough time to catch the ship, which usually sails around 7 p.m. with a little bit of allowance for unexpected delays. Please be reminded to check your cruise's schedule before going on a shore excursion, as time of departure is subject to change. I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone who stayed up to this point. If you find this video entertaining and informative, kindly give it a like. For questions related to this video, comment down below and I promise that no questions will go unnoticed. If you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe so I may be able to make more videos to share. Should you wish to watch our entire DIY adventure from Civitavecchia Port to Rome and see our DIY struggles and mishaps, check this vlog. Link is attached in the description box below. Once again, here's your Kumari, always happy to share. From Roma, Italia, ciao a tutti, buona giornata!